Okay, now I have unscrewed this with one 8mm screw down here. This pops into the end and there's a spark plug at the end. I remove this and the warning light is still on. You have to turn it on at your local dealer, but the car is completely new one. It revs like it used to be, and I'm gonna take it for a little test drive. This is much better.